Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Umar Al Furqon. Today, I want to tell you how to set up and customize a Rubik's Cube. For the tools and materials we only need a Rubik's Cube and a screwdriver. Let's go! The first, prepare the Rubik that has been disassembled and we will rearrange it like this. Secondly, we separate each part according to the category, such as edge, corner, center, core, screw, and spring. Okay?
I'm in a sweet spot. I'm feeling good. The sun is shining. I knew it would. The world's a playground. I'm in the clouds. Let me show you what it's all about. Check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Just check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Let me show you what it's all about. Check it out.
After that, insert the screw along with the spring into center pieces. Like this.
I'm on the big stage. I got my crew. I'll get you moving. It's what I do. The party's starting. It's going down. Let me show you what it's all about.
Then, tighten the screw with core pieces using the screwdriver.
Check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Just check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Let me show you what it's all about. Check it out. Check me out. Check me out. Check me out.
After that, put each center caps according to the orientation color. White color is opposite with yellow. Next, blue color is opposite with green color. Okay. Red color side with orange. Like this. After the Rubik's framework has been formed, the next step is to arrange the first layer. Put the edge pieces with a white base color as a reference in compiling the entire Rubik.
Check me. Let me show you what it's all about. Check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Just check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up.
Like this.
Let me
base color, that still match with side color, orange, blue, red. Next step, put the corner pieces with white base color. Okay. We finish the first layer. Then we continue to compile the second layer. Put the edge pieces with this color, red and blue. Blue and orange. Green and orange. And green and red. The second layer finish. Finally, we come to the last step, which is compiling the last layer. Put all remaining edges and corner pieces.
Check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Just check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Let me show you what it's all about. Check it out. I'm on the big stage. I got my crew. I'll get you moving. It's what I do.
Congratulations! Now you have successfully assembled a Rubik's Cube. Thank you for watching, and always